To put the camera into setup mode, press the button at the back for 5 seconds. Note that this resets the device and user data. After the light stops blinking in red color, camera will restart. A couple of seconds later, the blue light should start breathing, which means the camera is in the setup mode. Now visit hub.luxonis.com and sign in. Click on Add Device, and then choose OAK4 device. Here we insert the new password and click Continue. A QR will be generated. Point the camera into the screen to apply the new settings. After quick yellow and green flashes, the light should shine solid blue, indicating the device is configured and ready to use. Once the camera is connected, the default application will start. You can visualize it using the integrated viewer. Other things you can do with Luxonis Hub include deploying, managing, and scaling perception applications with OAK cameras. Make sure to explore our other Getting Started videos to find out more.